How to get refund on Green Dot card. Getting a refund on Green Dot card will depend on the policies of a merchant. If you wish to request a refund, start by contacting the merchant or service provider where you made the original purchase. Explain the reason for the refund request and inquire about their refund policy. Provide information related to the transactions, such as the date of purchase, transaction amount, and other relevant details that may help identify the transaction. Follow merchant's refund process. If the refund is not processed by the merchant, you can contact Green Dot customer support. Hope you will get a solution. Thanks for watching.